Okay, dear blog readers, will be our last blog, because we are home in Sweden now. You can see, whoa, Sweden! It's lovely. It's great to be home. It was a nice trip, but it's still great to be home. We've been to so much cool places and seen so much nice, and Ida and Sonia has been the best traveler buddies ever. So I'm really glad I made this trip. Really glad. If I have to say which one was the best place in Canada, so if you guys want to go to Canada someday, I will totally say Quebec, which is great, very nice, old city with old town, all houses and lot of cool stuff. I will definitely recommend Quebec. Toronto was nice as well. It didn't fit me that good, but I suppose if you really like big cities and lots of stuff going on, you should go to Toronto as well. So I'm glad you have. I hope you have find our blog good, and yeah. So